Hey guys, today is my first time coming down to the sushi restaurant called Kura Zushi. And this lane is already pre-made. The lane sometimes, as you can see, has dessert. Looks like it's all nothing but all the dessert and the lane of the different type of the sushis. Not only this, you have each table has a tablet. You can place an order. Once you place the order in the above lane, your sushi will be delivered to your table. And this is interesting that they have the two lane systems. The bottom one is the going around the pre-made one. The second lane is on your own lanes. When you place order sushi through the tablet, let's look closer. Wow, the view is this kind of amazing view too. I can see all the way. Oh, here come the sushis. It's neat, isn't it? And I'm gonna order the tendon for today. Not yet. I'm just waiting for my tendons to arrive. Let's see, mine's. Looks like it's coming because I hear the sounds of it's not yet. Another sushi. I'm waiting mine's. So different type of sushis there. So here's my tendons. And this is a tendon sweet sauce. And it's the 3 piece of the shrimps, small shrimps, 2 fish, and the leaves, fried leaves. After pour, there's a sweet sauce on the top. This is what they look like after that. Now you are ready to eat the tendons. And I'm gonna order another sushi, which I like shrimp and avocado. And probably this is this is my lunch, tendon and additional shrimp, boiled shrimp and avocado. I think it's come pretty soon. Well, here comes the shrimp avocado. This is a pretty good one though. Well, itadakimasu. Let's eat.